Hello, 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 and welcome back to another episode of Faith in Despair. What is happening with my stream information? My stream information is not loading. Why? Let me view it again. Use the okay. I'm going to show the docs menu again. Let me see. Stream information. Yes. Yeah, that's probably the same. We are improving onboarding still. And I have finished about 70% of my to-do list for this week. I'm being a little bit optimistic here. And today I've actually just stumbled upon a bug that I want to fix, which is not related to what I'm going to do. So, but that's it. Yeah. And on the other hand, I started implementing the Glossary. I don't know how it's pronounced. And I have not finished it. So this is probably one of the things that I want to do today. Right now. To now. That's not a word. Maybe it is now. I also want to add enemies to the collection. This should be fairly straightforward. And I wanted to change the colors on the keywords. When you put your mouse over the cards, then the keywords appear and they should be a bit of a different color. Like, for example, for status effects, for general descriptions like attack or blessings, and for lacrima. And I assume this will be the same as for the glossary. But anyway, let's see. And there it is. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted to test. Thank you very much, game. Now I just need to examine my creature. Okay. I'm going to load this and I'm going to manipulate this like the hacker that I am. Where is the test save? Okay, here it is. What? Reload. Huh? Ah, there it is. Okay. I was just at the end of the line, which is fine. JSON format. I'm going to reduce the a little bit. It's a bit too loud. Actually, you can do it on the... There we go. Okay. I want to increase the chances. So let's see. Enemy hand. Enemy cards. Enemy hand doesn't make any sense. On discard card bestow shield. True, okay. On creature plate exile. Okay, I want to increase the value here. Right now it's 8, so if I increase it to 30, then it should be 35. Let's say 80%. And I load it. 85%. So the bug is that if I... is this... That is weird. Huh. The background was just black. Anyway, I keep finding new things. It's kind of amazing. Actually. Anyway, I'm going to press this and see if it gets exiled. And if I keep clicking, it should actually reappear. Yes, okay. Okay, that is a very interesting problem. There's a very small window for this. A very small window, okay. I think it's the pick lane. So it should be pick lane in Card Game Manager. By the way, it has 27 degrees today. So summer is coming. Pick lane. And I think this is it. Let's see. Debug log. Picking. Oh shit. Picking lane. I'm also going to check if it is on the queue. Debug log, adding it to queue. And now I want to say pick lane routine. This is actually called only once. All right. But I think, so this is, okay, interesting. So pick lane is probably the one that's, huh? Where is the lane activation? Ah, so. Queue card activation? Check activation queue. Okay, activate queued card activation. And then it says pick lane. Ah, so, yeah, okay. I see, there's only one. Alright. Because the other one is called public key. Okay. It's added to the queue, probably. And then pick lane routine. We are going to check if... there's actually already a debug action from last time. So we're going to remove that. Switching lanes. I'm not sure if you're switching lanes, but I'm just going to debug anyway. Switching lanes. Add some arrows because why not? Not switching lanes. Okay. If you're not switching lanes. What is... Wait a minute. This actually plays the card. It just shows the card routine. It is bare. Going to make it a bit bigger for me. Remove from previous lane. Ah, there we go. So this is not needed. Okay. Remove from previous lane. Set current. Okay, place card on lane. Now here's the problem. It shouldn't actually get this far. So I'm actually pick lane. It should actually just stop here. That is actually... okay, yeah, it gets removed. Let's see. If target or picked card. Wait a minute. I mean, this is a security check, so we will see picked card is exiled. Gotta watch what I'm typing here. Is exiled. Return. And I think there is a... Wait a minute, where is it? There should be a boolean for this. At least there is one for other things. Bool is rotating, is about to die. Public bool is exiled. And it's exiled if it is... Yeah, there is no check for this, like no boolean for this. I think I can just say... I can just add one. Is exiled. The coding convention didn't make it through here. That's fine. Is exiled? I think this is reset in the card pool manager, but we will see. Is exiled is yeah, here it is. Save state is exiled. False, just to reset it. And it's also here, yes. Whenever the card is copied, is exiled. And now I only need to set it true when it is exiled. which is happening in... where is it happening? Probably here. Exile. Yes, okay. Show card event resisted. If success is exile a card, exile enemy card. Okay, there are two functions for this. And I'm just going to put it here. After added to exile. Save state is exiled is true. Good day, Terok. How's it going? After edit, also this is the same function. Alright, is exiled is true. If this already fixes it, then I'm happy. Yeah, we need to check. We need to actually build the function. That's the main issue. We need to actually code. It's going okay, sir. Good to hear, sir. We should like in the series the bear, we should just say chef at the end of every sentence. Yes, chef. Good day, chef. Yes. Okay. No problem, chef. Okay, how do I check if the card is on an exile pile? Well, maybe. So yeah, I know no actually. Save state is exiled. I just added this function. This boolean, so now I know. Great. Where is it called again? If it's exiled, blah. Okay. Now I hope there's no race condition for this. So let's see what happens. Technically it should get exiled, and when I click, the boolean should already be set. Now I'm wondering, oh wait a minute, I forgot something. When the card is returned from exile. From exile. Is there something like that? No. It should be in rest. It's even the book recommended. It's called Non-Violent Communication. I mean, I can send you the Amazon link, but you're welcome, chef. Repair deck. So in this case, it should return it, but repair deck. Choose repair deck. Repair deck routine. Return exile cards to deck. And in this case, it should reset that boolean. Exile is false. Is there any other scenario where it gets returned? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think that's it. Okay, let's try it out. If I place the creature down and keep clicking like a madman, it should no longer return to the board. If it does, we will have to think of something else. Okay. Load. Damn it, it still works. Okay. Picking lane. Remove from previous lane. Place card on lane. There is a... there's a check if it's exiled and returned, so probably Was it added to the queue? Yes. Pick lane. Hang on. I need to also put a comment here when it's exiled. Exile. .exile. Debug log. Exiling card. Let's go. So I can see more clearly the... I don't know what it's called. The succession of the events, I guess, is what we need to check. That is a crazy bug. I think I saw another crazy bug recently that I wasn't able to reproduce. Oh yeah, the card events. That was interesting. Okay, I'm clicking twice. I'm clicking twice. I need to click faster. Okay, yeah, there it is. Let's try it again. It's actually not that hard. So exiling card, pick lane, adding it to the queue, and now it's calling pick lane and remove from previous lane. Okay. So for some reason, exiling is too late. Like setting the card too late. Is exiled. After added to exile, where is this called? Exile ally card, exile enemy card. Sure, okay. Return exile. What? Ah, yeah. When you're inspecting the exile pile, this also gets called. That's crazy. Okay. Exile ally card. Where is this called? Ally death. If it dies permanently or here. So here it actually gets queued. If it gets queued, why is it then not set to true? Let's see. After added to exile, debug log, setting is exiled to true. Where is it actually set to false? Only here and reset starts. Setting is exiled to false. I don't like this. I think this is going to be called return exiled cards to deck. No, this is probably not it. Probably not it, but nah, not going to try this. Probably it's calling reset starts. Yeah, actually I think I know. After added to exile, reset starts. There it is. Damn it! Damn it! I mean, I can just call it afterwards. That's the easy fix, but is it a good fix? Probably not. But now it's fixed, I guess. Should reset starts even set it to false? Maybe it shouldn't actually set it to false. Maybe that's the more reasonable path. Here is exiled. Just remove it from here. It should only be removed when set to false when it's returned. and it's returned. And if it's called from the object pool. Yeah. Object pool. Clear, return to pool. Return card routine is exiled is false. Get card just takes a new save state anyway. But yeah. We are on the safe side with this. That sounds a bit better. And that should actually fix it. Let's hope so. Pray. Pray. Continue. Load. Keep clicking. And nothing happened. Sehr cool. It's fixed. We fixed it. Okay, that's great. Next, oh no. Okay. Fixed being able to move creature back to lane the instant it was exiled. The funny thing is that it actually was still in the exile pile, so it probably didn't do anything. Or I didn't ever actually keep playing, so. Alright, battle log. Do I want to change the battle log or do I want to change the keywords? Let's take a look at the battle log. Okay. We are going to take a look at this. Let's just make another run. Okay, now the battle log should be filled up with stuff. And we have a glossary. Oh, I already changed the colors. That's really cool. Really nice. So what I want to happen is that when you move your mouse over this, then there should be a little info. And my plan last time was to use the pop-up info, like this one. And maybe this is the best approach. What just happened? This hadn't happened last time too. What is it? This is out of range? Aha. Well, in battle log should be set to false when they were hiding it. Probably. That's the reason. In glossary is false. So, like this. That's probably the reason. Yes. Okay. Now I need to think about, do I want to reuse the tooltip or not? When I move my mouse over this, do I want to just see the line or not? I think this is called show tooltip. Show tooltip. Yes. Yes. Okay, tooltip. And where is the text set? Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, I can probably make a function out of this. What atonements? I could probably just refactor this and try to use it. Where's the tooltip currently? There it is. There it is. Okay, yeah, it is definitely visible. That's good. So if we move it here, and then we will say Glossary. And then it says, I don't know, something like this. And you say confused, and then it says confused, blah blah blah, cooldown, blah blah blah, sleep, blah blah blah, and always in the center. I don't know, but maybe we can just try. Is this a button? Yeah, I think it is. Okay, let's build a function for this. The function should be the offset. Show tooltip. Show tooltip text. Actually, it's probably this function needs to change. Show tooltip for art. This will probably screw up all of the buttons. Yeah, this is not good. Okay. Never mind. Show tooltip. And we'll just say show tooltip text. Tooltip text. We're going to use this. Public void show tooltip text. String tooltip text. Which sets it to active, and we also want to say what is the button? Button transfer? Aha, okay. Adjust sprite dimensions. Fair enough. Okay, so we will. What is that? Okay, this is when the when camera looks at this. Wow. Okay. Position is new position. I mean, maybe I just can give it a custom text. Maybe that's the solution. And custom text and custom offset. Yeah. Yeah, maybe that's the solution. Ist gleich empty and string vector 3. What's the best way to do this? This is a bit of a mess, that's the problem. Okay, I just need a position and a custom text, so. Tooltip. Vector 3. I'm trying to figure out if I can just use an empty vector 3 as a default. Ah, it's a question mark. Got it. There is a dog outside, which is always in front of the grocery store. And I swear, I know this dog because it has a very unique bark. And it's like, I hear it every day. So maybe they're going to the grocery shop every day. That's interesting. And it's a very, very unique bark. Okay. This is the... just show it with the text. I don't know, it sounds like a bit of a bigger dog, I would say. But it always has this... It barks and then it keeps like making a noise, which is really weird. It's not weird, it's just I don't know, there's no normal dog. What is the normal dog? There's no default dog. So I guess it's just different to what I'm used to. What is the default dog? I think I will just make my own function. This is too much. So, just make my own function. Public void show tooltip custom text string custom text vector 3 target position, and then let's call this function still, because why not? This is not important for me. I don't need an offset. I need... That might be interesting, yeah. The most average dog in the universe. What does that look like? It would be really interesting, because it probably depends on where you live. What your idea of the basic of the default dog would be? What's the number one image that you think of when you hear the word dog? Probably everybody would disagree on that. And what does the default dog sound like? What is the bark? The bark. I'm not talking about the tree bark, I'm talking about the bark. The bark. The bark of all barks. Set tooltip position. New position. And this is all there is to it. Void. Set tooltip position. Vector 3. New position. I think about, yeah, I think so too. I think about a Schäfer dog. I think that's my go-to dog. Custom text. Nothing too fancy, not small, not too high. And it just barks, you know? There's just... Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. It just does what it's supposed to do. Yeah. Okay, yeah. No, I think that's pretty much... That should be it. Show tooltip, custom text, and... Yeah, and then just hide. And position. Cool. So I can probably just say... battle log. Where is it? Where is it? Battle log. Glossary. There is no action set yet, I think. Is there? Oh. Oh, wait a minute. Show log action detail. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Let me think for a minute. The problem of reusing an existing system for something entirely different. I mean, it's not entirely different. It doesn't have a log action. What does it have? Can I just say public string log text? Maybe I can just say this. Just give me a log text. Log action. Alle Verweise suchen. Display log. Okay. How far did you play Clair Obscur? Probably 10 hours or so. We're at the Red Forest. We're probably not that far. I don't know what act that is. Did you check it out? Log display. Log text, there it is. Log text is oh yeah, you better not see anything. It's really, really good. We just were at a dimension, if that helps. Glossary text. The glossary text should probably be something like this again, plus the description of it, which would be glossary entry Keyword description, I guess. Ah, description keyword, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So this... translated. Entry. Description keyword. Is that it? Is that the solution? I don't remember the act. Act number. Let's see if this works. Base. And there should be some entries. And if I click now, nothing is happening. Cool. Okay. Then let's figure out why. Apparently, show log action details. So this is correct. Active button, yeah, here it is. So yeah, okay. I didn't actually do anything about it. If display log text is not this, log display. This is horrible. It is absolutely horrible. It is absolutely horrible. Card game manager. Come on. Card game manager, show, tooltip, custom text, display, log text, return. What do you mean? Oh, yeah. That's probably a good idea. Vector. Display. Position. Update. Wow. Display transition local position. Okay, yeah. Ooh. Let's just put it a bit more to the right, yes. So 2F and 0, 0. And let's try it again. If that's done, then I can add other keywords like blessings and curses. The problem is, will this be too much information? Probably needs to have some sort of subcategories at some point. But let's just edit for now. Oh, this actually works. Oh, it works. Oh my god. It works. Is it the best possible implementation? No. Does it work? Yes. Okay, let's keep refining it, but for now I'm just happy that it works. It works. Works. What did I want to do? Ah yeah. Display. Glossary. Reset. Where is it? Reset log displays. There it is. Display. log action, log text is this. I think we will just keep it for this, like keep it like this for now. Let's see if we can add other terms. Blessing. So this is, there is no category for this yet. So this is not really something that I can just... Blessing, yeah. This is, I think this needs to be a manual list. Do I just have to go through the list and manually edit? That's great. I hate manual tasks. Display glossary. Glossary. I really like the French aspect of Expedition 33. I don't know, it's just, you know, usually in Final Fantasy it's this weird mesh between Japanese and Western ideas. It's like in Final Fantasy 15. But in Expedition 33 it's like, no, this is French. there's a costume that's called baguette. It's just kind of refreshing, I don't know. Get actions per page, calculate total pages. Baguette, yes. When we got that, I was like, oh my fucking god. I literally just put down the controller and was like... It was so funny. Honestly, when I fought this boss, I expected something entirely different. Well, I don't know, I expected something. But this was not what I was expecting. We even went back to this boss. We skipped it. I say we because my wife and I played co-op with 2 controllers. But we even went back to the boss and we're like, okay, we have, it's not really a boss, but a kind of a side thing. And then we were like, okay, now we have to beat it. And yeah, we just... Okay, here we get all of the status effects. Okay, here we can add all of the lacrima. That is what we can do. That is what we can do. For each materia. Do I need all of the lacrima here? No, that would be a spoiler. That's not good. I have to think about what I'm doing here. Huh. Oh no. This is more complicated than I thought. Basically, all I do in game dev. Oh no. I cannot just add it to the glossary. It needs to be tied to the progression and the collection. Damn it. Let me think of a way to... I mean, we can just add it and then figure out if you can just... We can actually just connect to the collection page. Yeah. Do I want all of the lacrima here? Is that really what I want? That's the question. And these are banned? Oh, I could just use the same function. That's a good idea. Collection, collection, collection. I could just use the collection function. Where is it? There it is. Display, tab. Lacrima. Hello? Materia. Please help. Show. Show tab. Ah, there it is. Okay. So here should be get lacrima for collection. Beautiful. It gets me out of the lacrima for collection, but it needs to be. It still needs to be checked. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's fine. Card game manager, collection, get lacrima for collection. Does it work? Yes. Good. For each, lacrima in all lacrima. And now we can probably use the same. Yes. Oh yeah, also let's just call it lacrima name. Good idea. If found lacrima is not null and found lacrima discard. Oh my god, it actually works. Then we're going to edit. Entries, add a new glossary entry. Okay, a new glossary entry with we probably can make a function for this. But not right now. Not right now. We are going to just push the lacrima name. Translated keyword. Ah, yes. That is an interesting... Is this actually translated anywhere? Probably from string name. Ah, there it is. No. That's not it. Where does he get the text for this? Apply material from string name? No. Oh, on hover. When moving your mouse over the cursor. Yeah. Probably in slot description. Show description? No. Show description? Yes. If it's discovered, otherwise show slot description. Oh my god. This is a deep rabbit hole. I'm not even sure how old this code is at this point. Am I getting a translated keyword? Get keywords for attached material? No. Ooh. Ah, to text for description. To text. Translate lacrima. Holy shit. This is a deep rabbit hole. Translate lacrima. Alright. Alle Verweise suchen. Let's see. Oh, this is only used inside of this function. Alright. Then we will just create a new material just for this purpose. Is there one? Ah. Hello, Mr. Augustin. How's it going? I don't need this. I probably need this, yes. It's related to Lacrima. Color, text color. We are just going to use the this is so interesting to me because I thought the glossary would be much easier, but there is a lot. There is a lot that needs to be thought about. It is what it is. Is this actually including the sharp or not? Not. Okay. But let's just try going at it step by step. Translated. Okay, let's see. Lacrima plus. I know I said that I would use the same function, but I'm just not going to do it. It should be fine. It should be fine this way. Lacrima name, translated keyword, and we're going to use this. And maybe that's it. It only shows this is covered Lacrima. Yeah, again, this probably needs some kind of division. I'm not sure yet. Not sure yet. Everything is going well. I finished the 3D model that I worked on for a couple of months. Nice. Where can we see it? It works, but it looks like shit. Someone automaton. Summons an automaton, yes. Liz, reduce the despair cost by 2. On below half HP. Wow, and the list is really long now already. That's crazy. I probably don't need the Lacrima in here. Because all of the Lacrima are at the start page anyway. No, I'm not adding the Lacrima. Screw this. I'm not adding them. That's not why we are here in the glossary. The glossary should be about things like blessings, curses, attack. So we are just going to all terms. Get terms. I just want to go through all of the terms and just add them somehow. I think that's way better. Because Lacrima they don't need a glossary entry, I don't think. Especially since they are already at the start page. In the collection, I mean. List. Is this a string? No. Yes. List string. Get terms. List string terms is new list. And we're going to say, actually, I think we can just add blessing here, right? Yes, no? I think it's with these brackets. Yes, yes. It's a simple gray model of a woman that can be used to create more characters. Not very impressive. I'll try to show some really good models when the time comes. Alright. Keep up the good work. Are you following tutorials for this, or are you just restyling it? Okay, I need to go through all of them and add the relevant entries, such as attack, achievements, activations, ally graveyard, nobody cares, apathy, that is already in the atonements. Atonements. I need to find a system for keyword description blessing. Okay. So in theory, I can just say keyword description atonement. Or keyword description atonements. I watched a lot of tutorials to create this model, but now I think I have enough skills to create models myself. That's a good approach, yes. Nice. Because at some point, you need to stop watching tutorials and try to do it yourself. And then, when you face another block, like a blockage, you face another big hurdle, then you need to maybe watch one more tutorial and then just keep going on yourself, by yourself. Cracked slot. Ah, yes. I'm going to just add a few here. Blessing. Yeah. Anima is still here? I don't know. Some things are really weird. Austrian, yeah, I'm going to add Austrian to the glossary. Bloodlust. It's already in the game. I mean in the glossary. Atonements. Atonements. I guess I need to change this then. Keyword. Description. Atonements. Okay. What are atonements? It's a good question. Change. What are atonements? Well, atonements are just settings that you can use to increase the difficulty of your runs. Settings to increase difficulty of your runs. Yeah. Great. What else do I want to add? I mean, one thing that I definitely want to add is overcharged, but might probably need a separate description. No, I don't. I need the same description, but the description just needs to work by default. Okay. What about no chapter? Chapter doesn't need an entry. Campaign. Collection, no. Controls, cooldown, cracked slot. I mean, cracked slot probably would make sense, yes. Curse is what I already have. Debuff, yes. Buff. Debuff. That's a good idea. What did I do? Okay. Deck. Deck is pretty self-explanatory. I think Despair is a good one. Just to have it in the... And I guess Faith. Discovered. Earth. Why is Earth still here? This is from Tournament. English. Yeah, English is a good... always needs an explanation. Faith. Faith is already in the list. Game Boy. Gold. Yeah, why not? Gold. Hand is full. Hold to skip. Immunity. Immunity is already in the list, yeah. Overcharge is also already in the list. So indestructible. Keyword. Kills Lacrima. Lacrima is a good idea. Lacrima. Is there a keyword description? Keyword description Lacrima. No, there is not. Let's edit. Keyword description Lacrima. Orbs to slot into cards. Used to slot into cards and change. There are triggers, actions, and modifier Lacrima. Trigger, action, and modifier Lacrima. Can be slotted into cards. Is this English? I don't know. Can be equipped? No. Can be used? Can be slotted into cards? I think that's fine. There are trigger, action, and modifier Lacrima. Sure. Should I? In one of the tips it said these orbs are called Lacrima. I don't want to use. I don't want to repeat the word orbs. I don't really like that word. Can be slotted into cards. There are trigger, action, and modifier Lacrima. Okay. Let's keep it that way. For now. Lacrima, Lacrima Pack, Lacrima Anima. What is all that? Oh yeah, okay. These are all of the Lacrima, of course. There is a lot. Levitation already in. Locked, lock, losses, magic damage. Magic damage, oh yeah. Magic damage and physical damage. Mana, no. Mana is not in the game anymore. Oh yeah, Altar of Tears, that is a good one. All of the events need a description. Altar of Tears. Boss fight. Elite fight. Should I use the map name? Probably yes. So many decisions to make Map rest. Map sacrifice. Map shop. Map study. Map treasure. Map unknown. Und Mars. All of the planet names are still in the description. That's funny. So, but now I need to add descriptions for these. So keyword description. Cannot type. Keyword description. Altar of... Okay, no, it's definitely not here. I wanted to see if it's already here, but no. 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 Keyword description. Let's copy it. Do I want to use the same? Yes, I want to. Yes, yes, yes. I don't need the where next. That's... What about the others? Rest, fights... select events is also not relevant. Relevant. Relevant? What is the French word for relevant? Translate. Relevant. French. Oh, did I mention that I used to learn French for 3 years in school? So that is why I like Expedition 33 so much. Where's French? There it is. Pertinent? Pertinent?
Pertinent.
Pertinent. Okay. Nice. Okay. Altar of Tears lets you combine Lacrima for various outcomes. This is a boss fight. How do you describe a boss fight? A powerful foe. Powerful. Fight a powerful card. How do you describe a boss fight? It's a boss fight. It's a boss fight. It's the... No, and usually you fight a boss. No, that's not a good description. A boss is a unique enemy. Fight a unique and powerful enemy. Fight a more powerful enemy to gain a blessing. Fight a regular group of enemies. Rest. In rest you can choose between recover faith, reduce despair, or repair your deck. Sacrifice a card to gain recover faith, reduce despair, and gain gold. Purchase and sell. Purchase cards, sell a card, or acquire a Lacrima pack. Study, upgrade a card. Treasure, find gold Lacama or a card. Random card. Find gold, Lacama or a random card. Unknown. Nobody knows. It can be anything. Very, very mysterious. Nobody knows. How do you say untread land? Unexplored. What do I want to say? Unexplored land. Uncharted? Nobody knows. It can be anything. I'm trying to find a specific word. Untreated? Untreated? No. Never mind. I must misremember. Okay. Unknown can turn into anything. So basically it can be a fight. It can turn into any other event. Nobody knows. I don't know. I kind of like it. Nobody knows. Can turn into any other event. Yeah, that's fair. There are some restrictions, but in general, that's what it is. Okay, let's keep looking. Map mastered. Oh yeah, mastery is something that probably needs to be explained. But it depends on Lacamo mastery and deck mastery. So not very sure. Movement, music, high score. No. Northeast options, okay. Overcharge, parasite. Physical damage is what I've already added, yes. Please wait. Poison. Profiles. Do I need a description for profiles? No. Redraw. Redraw is interesting, but I can also add end turn. Where is it? End turn. Let's see. End turn. Keyword. Description. And yeah, it's spelled together. Which means I probably need to... Do I need to change the key here as well? Yeah. Will this bite me in the ass? Probably. Let's see, let's import it. And change it on a button and hope nothing else breaks. Where is it? End turn. End turn button. There it is. Change the text to end turn and use... Yes, 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 yes. I know. I know I changed it. Please don't hurt me. So. Alright. End turn. So we can change it here too. And it automatically has the same key as the keyword description. And I didn't want... I wanted to add redraw as well. Redraw. Because it's a game mechanic, so maybe it helps. I don't know. We will see. Reroll shop. No. Reset? What? Oh no, this is for the collection. Rest, gain faith. No. Runs, no. Score. I mean, at some point I should probably explain how the score is calculated, but you can just join the Discord and ask me. Sleep is already in the description. Slots. Slots. Do I really want to explain card slots? Speed, stars, start, statistics, stone skin, search profile, tiny, blessings and curses are already in there, type, unmastered, okay, what else do we have? Circles, these are the atonements. Where's my mouse? Oh, there it is. My cursor. Empty, run, menu, options, play, wishlist. I could add a wishlist entry. When you see it, it's like, wishlist the game on Steam. Hi, I know I'm in the glossary, but that would be really funny. Kinda wanna do that. I don't know. No, let's not do it. Play, random number. Blessings. Oh, these are the names for the blessings, yeah. Curses. Creature, demon, minion, automaton. Do I really need to explain this? I'm not sure. Spell. Oh, spell is interesting. Keyword, description, spell. That's a good idea actually. Why not? Spell. Spells can be cast in your turn. They get put in once cast, they get discarded and can be drawn again after the deck was shuffled. They get discarded. Why am I English? Not English. Creature. Let's add creature as well. Keyword, description. Description. Creatures can be placed on empty lanes or replace existing creatures on lanes. They usually do not revive. They always revive after fights. I'm not sure if I want to add a period or not. Let's just add it. It's not consistent though, I don't like it. They always revive after fights. Cool. Okay, we have an explanation for spells now and spell. Where did I end? Maybe something like here. Circles. Oh yeah. Spell, clear cards. Ally, exile. Exile. I probably should explain exile. Lackhammer exile? Oh no, exile is already explained on the Lackhammer, I guess. Yeah. I mean, I can probably explain graveyard and exile. But I mean, yeah. What would I write about graveyards and exile? Okay. Graveyard. Creatures after dying. All creatures end up in their respective, respective graveyards. Ally creatures revive after fights. Enemy creatures can get exhumed in future fights. I don't know if that helps. Exile. Graveyard. Oh. What happened to the formatting? Friedhof. Exile. Exil. Graveyard. Exile. If creatures get exiled, they can only be retrieved on rest events. During rest events. Cool. And everybody disliked it. I think that's it. I think that's it. Let's see if we can... Let's see what happens if we add this to the... Ah yeah, I didn't add it here. Graveyard. Exile. So... get terms. This should just be this one and keyword description. Text color. Oh. What should be the text of this? Probably something really boring. Because it's just the default. Or maybe blue? Blue. What is the color here? Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's definitely different. A boring blue. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Crazy even. Mad. Okay, let's import all of the fresh material. All of the fresh words. And I think then the battle glossary is done. Events? Yeah, wait a minute. Somebody, I mean, Kimitsu wrote me today. And glossary. I don't want to add Lack material in the collection. Keywords, effects, yes. Events, yes. I'm looking at the other screen, that is why I need to use my binoculars. Okay, yeah, no, that's good. I think that's it. Yeah, yes. If I start the glossary now, I think it should work. Again, I probably at some point need to differentiate. Like maybe instead of calling it glossary, I specifically say status effects and map events. Maybe? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Creature. Debuff. Why is creature not working? Keyword description, creature. So what's the holdup? For map? Map altar of tears. What is the problem? What's the problem, chef? Yeah, I need to remove... I mean, it's already translated, so it should work. So why doesn't it? Did I not import it? Maybe I didn't import it. Fair enough. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Oh, no, it doesn't work. Map altar of tears. Keyword is Lakma name, translated is... Why? Why? Why is it not working? Oh. What? Why is it not working? Huh? Okay. First of all, let's not call Lakma name, but term. Debug log term. Turns into entry translated keyword plus, I mean, that's it. Entry description keyword. Oh, where is this used? Just here. Okay. I don't understand why it's not working. Even if it should be working. I need to drink some water. Let's play again. Let's see if it works now. Why doesn't it work now? Turns into unknown and keyword map keyword description map unknown. What? Well, first of all, it should be unknown, not map unknown. And second of all, I think I made a mistake. Aha. That's crazy. It needs a big W. Big W in the chat. Why? Why? Almost done. Okay, re-import. Replace. Tools. No, never mind. Start. Let's go. Glossary, please. Okay, at least the description works. Why does the other thing not work? Text is translated keyword. Please. 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 Also? Yeah, no, that works already. That works already. Alt half tears, there it is. Oh, it's still in the... It's still in the hover. Where is it? Show description. Show log action details. It's in the log text. Ah. Of course. Of course. That's it. That is it. So we have common terms and status effects. If I ever need to add more, I can probably just do so, but I think this is pretty much it. Bloodlust is a buff. Doomed is a debuff, cooldown. I mean, I can probably also try to possibly think about adding an icon to this. Icons would probably be cool. I just realized that some Lacrima are not in the collection, like Showdown. But maybe, yeah. Crack slot also works now? Nice. It seems like everything works. Boss fight. Fight a unique and powerful enemy. Elite fight. End turn. Oh, glass cannon. Glass cannon should not be here anymore. Uh-oh. Oh no. Status effect. Random buff actually. Random buff. Inflict random buff. Get random buff. Oh, it's in the checker? I think I just need to remove glass cannon entirely. Unless... Yeah. Get terms. No. If type equals continue. Yes. Oh no, I did save while Unity was running. No. Alright. I'm just trying to see what else I need to do. Probably color on the keywords on the cards. Glossary. Okay, class canon is gone. Very nice. Oh. I also need to hide the tooltip. Show log action details and hide log action details, which is where I can call just open this card game manager, hide tooltip. Wonderful, splendid, marvelous. Yesterday I watched a play called An Ideal Husband by Oscar Wilde, and it was pretty cool. The whole play took 3 hours. It was kind of crazy with 20 minutes break time. But yeah, it was fun. There were so many details, and the actors really like did all of the all they could to make the material come alive. It was really funny. All right. Let's see. What if I want to look up immunity? I'm going to go to Glossary. Immunity. Creature can't be target of spells, sarcasm, or physical damage. That's what it is. I probably need to change the overcharged information at some point again. It's still too confusing. And I probably could add a separate tab here for terms, like altar of tears, blah blah, and status effects. That could probably work here. And then it's a bit more separate, but for now I think that's enough. Yeah. Let's see if I have some entries in the battle log. Ah, now I need to change the information here, I guess. Or not. Glossary. I wonder if this is enough information or not. Let's see what happens if we do not... If we don't move it off center. Let's just leave it here. Let's leave it here. Ah yeah, there was a new game just released in early access. Maze? Maze. 2 user reviews. It's game of the year. Played this excellent blend of Pac-Man, Snake and Vampire Survivors. I wonder. I do wonder. I mean, it looks fun. I should check out the demo at some point. Oh, sound. Is a bullet heaven roguelike, where time only moves when you move, with tons of upgrades to unlock. Looks funny. It's by the creator of Luck Be a Landlord. Alright, let's check out the glossary once more. Okay, yeah, this is a bit better. A bit better. What if I change language to Deutsch? Because then I think it doesn't work. Ah, it works? What the hell? Wow. Wow. It just works? That's crazy. What about the Russian? It just works. Wow. I'm really amazed. Okay. I think the glossary, I mean, there's a lot more that you can probably do with the glossary. But for now, I think it's done. Yeah. Alright, this is where I'm going to end it for today. Thanks everyone for hanging out, and I probably will see you again next week.